Some of you may ask me, YouTube video editing, what the heck is that? Is there any difference between YouTube video editing or normal video editing? Actually, in normal video editing, you need to learn many things. You need to do many stuff. But in YouTube video editing, you don't need to be a professional video editor. You just need some basic things like how to copy, cut, delete any part of video, how to add intro, how to work with multiple video, how to work with green screen, and which video format will be best for YouTube video, blah blah blah, that kind of things. Definitely you learn everything for your requirements, but at the beginning I'm gonna show you the basic things you need to do for YouTube video editing. So when you're ready, let's get started. So at first, just open up your video editing software. In this tutorial I'm gonna use Filmora video editing software. It's a great video editing software for beginners. Not only beginners, you can do all advanced things here once if you know how to use it. So just enable full feature mode. Now you can see here there are many folders. You can create your own folders by clicking here. Your project folder. My project. I'm gonna rename it. Then you have to upload your content here. The content you're gonna use in your videos or the content you're gonna edit. So click import here. Then set your location. I have created a project. I'm going to input all those files. Just select this file and click open. You can see it's your timeline. We're gonna drag this video to over here. So first of all, you should understand which video or which picture will be your background. Let's first work with video. The video I'm gonna use as my background. So let's drag this video. You can see this is my video. You can zoom your timeline by clicking here. Now click and hold left button in your mouse, then drag it to right. Now it's gonna zoom. Okay, suppose we don't need the whole part. Okay, I'm gonna remove this part. Okay, you can see this part. I'm gonna remove from here this part. So if you want to remove any part or copy paste any part, first you need to select that part. So that's why we need to split that part. You can split that part by clicking here. Split, you can see. So suppose we don't wanna this part, from here to here. Once again click split or click here. Now you can see it's divided into separate section. Now if you click here and right click on it and click delete, it's gonna be deleted, or just simply press delete key from your keyboard. You can say it's deleted. Same way, if you want to copy same part, you just click here, press Ctrl C or press copy or cut, just then click anywhere and paste it. Okay, let's copy any. Here I'm gonna paste it, then click here, then paste. It's gonna paste it. And if you want to paste here, just right here, if you want to paste it right here, then you have to split it again because it's don't know where it's gonna paste. Okay, so just click here, then click split, then click here again, then click paste. You're gonna see it's pasting here. So this way you can edit, copy, paste, delete any part of any file. Not only this, if you want to detach audio from this video, suppose I'm gonna delete this part, press Ctrl, press again, click again, press Ctrl, click again. By pressing Ctrl, you can select multiple part. Now press delete from your keyboard. Suppose we want to detach audio from this video, just click here and then click audio detach. Now your audio will be divided in separate timeline. So you can delete this audio from here, or you can edit your audio. You can maximize your volume by dragging it to minimize or maximize. You can set your equalizer. You can remove your background noise, that kind of things. So okay, this way you can detach any audio from here, or you can maximize your audio sound. So now okay, I'm gonna delete this one because we're gonna use an extra audio for this video, so I'm gonna delete this one. Okay, now we don't have any audio in this video. Now if we want to work with green skin, you can see it's my green skin I'm gonna use in this case. So just drag it over here, and if you want to select any part, suppose we don't need the whole part, we're gonna start from here, then click here, then click you must click this one, not this one. Okay, click this one, then Control B or split, or right click it, then split. Now just delete it. Now drag it to the first position from the beginning. Now we will delete. Then now we'll delete the last part. Again Control B, split it, then press delete. Okay, so our green skin will play over this video. So click here, now click green skin. Now select your color, make part select transparent, click your color. I'm going to remove this color, so click over this green skin. Now it's look good but not that good, so I need to increase the intensity level. You can increase it up to satisfaction. I think it's quite good. So okay, let's click OK. You can see it's look horrible here because I did not cut my non-green part, so I have to cut or delete the non-green part. So click again, click edit, now click advance. Okay, now click here. Now just set your width, it's quite good. You can decrease your head. Just work with this, you'll understand everything once you get it. So we can maximize or minimize your green skin size. I'm gonna set it to right bottom corner. Okay, now you can play it from here. You can see I have removed my green skin. So this way you can remove and work with green skin. Now if you want to add extra sound, just drag your imported sound to here, and same way you can delete any part of any sound. I hope you'll understand how to delete copy any part of video or audio. Just if you want to start from here, just click Ctrl B, then delete this part, then drag it here, or you can drag it anywhere. Okay, just use your brain, then you will understand everything. Just click here, Ctrl B, you can click delete this part. If you want to set a image or photo instead of video in your background, just delete this one, just drag your image here. You can see you can increase or decrease your image in your timeline. Adjust here by click the last part here, then click decrease or increase. Okay, now if you play our video, my video is gonna play. Not only this, you can adjust your green skin. Suppose I want to take it to left or right. Okay, so this way you can edit any video, work with green skin, copycat any video, add your extra sound. So I hope you got help by this video. Finally, if you want to export this video, you have to click here, then MP4 will be best format for your YouTube video. So I'm gonna use MP4, then you can adjust your setting, and finally click on export. So your video will be rendered. It will take some time. So guys, thank you for watching.